AlphaRex specializes in designing and producing superior and uniquely stylish aftermarket automotive performance lighting with unrivaled innovative technology. Watch this video as we take you through the installation of your new AlphaRex headlights in your 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500, step by step. Prepare these tools for your installation. Whenever working on your vehicle, start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Remove the 4 ribbed clips on the bottom of your radiator shroud, followed by the 2 push clips from the top of the shroud. Now that your radiator shroud is free, remove it from the vehicle. Remove the 4 10mm bolts securing the grille to the top of the core support. Once the bolts are removed, pull on the front of the grille with moderate force to release the clips, securing it to the vehicle. Remove the 2 10mm bolts from the inner side of the headlight. Move to the inner wheel well and open the access panel located in the front of the inner liner by removing the push clip. Pull back the inner liner to gain access to the backside of your factory headlight. Push up on the white tab to release the headlight. Now you may remove the factory headlight from the vehicle. Disconnect the low beam connector by unlocking the gray tab that secures the plug. Then disconnect the plug. Remove the turn signal socket and bulb and make sure you are left with these connectors. Plug the flat black connector on your AlphaRex headlight into the turn signal socket. Lock the turn signal socket into place on your AlphaRex headlight. To install the optional daytime running light harness, connect the red wire from the harness, as well as the positive and negative wires to your vehicle's battery terminals. Finish the daytime running light harness by connecting the gray wire to pin F66 in your vehicle's underhood fuse box. Connect the low-high beam connector into your vehicle's harness. Finish the installation by ensuring the bottom mounting bolt is level and secure the headlight into place. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side headlight removal and install. Test the functions of your AlphaRex headlights to ensure everything works properly. Once everything's been tested, aim your AlphaRex headlights by parking 25 feet from a wall and level the lights evenly. Follow the previous removal instructions in reverse to reinstall your factory grille, radiator shroud, and inner wheel well. Now you're ready to use and enjoy your AlphaRex headlights and enjoy the new look and improved night driving of your 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500. Visit AlphaRexUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.